You're on my menu today with some broccoli and some salmon.
Pat salmon dry with paper towels. Then season with salt and pepper. Drizzle with lemon-basil sauce. Turn to coat and I marinate it around for at least 10 minutes. So just make sure you mix it and you just leave it to marinate. Drizzle cooking oil, season with pinch of salt and pepper and stir to coat. Then you're going to take water and put it on the sun-dried tomatoes and let it sit for like 5 minutes until soft. Place the squash at 400 degrees and then you're going to cook the oil until it's nice and hot and you're going to throw the salmon right on top of it. Skin side up, look at how nice and brown it looks. Oh, the sizzle. Now we're gonna do our broccoli. Throw it in with some olive oil. The sun-dried tomatoes are already nice and soft. And throw some garlic to the hot pan for 4 to 5 minutes. Roast almonds over baking sheet with the squash for 5 minutes and done. Now it is time to plate. Add your squash with almonds and sauteed veggies and then serve it with your salmon right over top. Drizzle with any kind of sauce you wish. But you know what? We are done. It is perfect. Just look at it one more time. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's tasty. It's amazing. And you can have some for tomorrow for lunch. Now go dance in the kitchen with your dog. You only live once, right?